Turn it off. All right, you shouldn't walk with it, but I do, okay? The rules don't apply to me. You shouldn't depressurize, or you shouldn't move your pressure cooker. It says that in our cookbook. Do as I say, not as I do. I had an issue once when I knocked it over and fell in the pantry and spilled everywhere. Now that was a smell, yeah. I've done that with fish sauce. Imagine having spilt fish sauce all over your pantry. It took months for it to like leave. I was like wiping and wiping and wiping. I had to like use bleach, try to like get rid of the smell. And Exceed hates seafood, so he just like wouldn't walk in there. All right, so this is just regular rice. We're gonna stir that with our stir fry, and then I'm gonna show you how to make into fried rice. We're gonna add some bacon, and we're gonna add some egg and make fried rice. Cool? So 4-minute pressure cooker rice. It's incredible. Seriously, look at this. Look at that bad boy. You just fluff it up. It's just incredible. I know I'll hop on, but seriously been a game changer for us in our household, because I did an in-person cooking class like 2 weeks ago, and they wouldn't believe me, because everyone sees me cooking on stream and doing what I do. They think that we eat food like this all the time. And I told them one of my favorite things when I don't feel like cooking is making a pot of rice, basmati rice, flavorful basmati rice, grated cheese, Cholula hot sauce. And I'll eat that for dinner. Like, rice shouldn't be boring. You're cooking it with chicken stock or mushroom stock powder. It should be flavorful, adding some, like a mixture of like a tablespoon of butter in there, stirring that around. This should be a yummy, like, dish on its own, and then accompany with a stir fry. It should make it better. Two good things coming together making an awesome meal. This shouldn't be bland and boring. It's one of the biggest things that people do wrong. Find a nice chicken stock, beef stock, mushroom stock powder, coconut milk. Like I use probably like half a cup of coconut milk in there. Add flavor to your rice, and it will make it taste nice. Go out and try different stock powders and see what flavor you like. You might like a more European stock powder. I like Korean stock powder, or like an Asian style stock powder. Lee Kum Kum Ki chicken stock, Dashida beef stock powder are my favorite, because they have those Asian flavors. Nice hit of kind of MSG flavor booster in there. A1 steak sauce on my rice, nice. Okay, so like that. Rice. I may have put too much bean sprouts in here, but that's okay. I just wanted to use them up. Seriously, healthy. Doesn't have to be meat. You can add, like, this can be completely veg if you wanted to.